I'm Denise Co-Genovese from IPEM, and I'm delighted to be joined today by Claire Roborel de Climens from BNP Paribas. Claire, thanks so much for stopping by for a chat.
Hello, Denise.
Could you tell us a bit about your role at BNP Paribas?
Yeah, so I'm leading the private and alternative investments at BNP Paribas Wealth Management. As you may know, BNP Paribas Wealth Management is a global leading private bank and number one in the Eurozone. We operate in 17 countries in Europe, Asia, and Middle East. And so I'm in charge of the private assets offering. This is an offering I built many years ago to enable our private clients to access to private assets. And initially, it was really a demand from our entrepreneur clients to diversify their assets into unlisted investments and also to support the real economy. So over this long period of now, we have 27 years of track record. We have built a solid and robust offering for our clients through different instruments.
And what do you look for in a GP?
When we select a GP, and I believe that our clients value our rigorous due diligence process, we spend with my team many weeks, even months, to perform that due diligence. We deep dive, of course, in the track record. The performance is very important, and we look for GPs having a long and proven track record among different economic cycles, which is, of course, very important to understand how they manage difficult periods. And we value also the sectorial expertise and the way they create value in the portfolio companies. So we are very selective and we work with top-tier international managers.
And how do you make sure you have the right product mix on your shelf?
So it's a good question because each client has a different request. So we have a wide range of products to meet our clients' objectives, expectation. It depends on their aversion on risk, on the suitability, their knowledge of this asset class. So we offer, of course, access to PE, private credit, private infra, private real estate, from closed-ended funds to now evergreens. We were also pioneer in offering unit-linked products and also LTIF, which is a very important offering to enable to democratize these asset classes to private clients.
And you've obviously been in the industry for a long time. I'm sure it's evolved hugely. What's your focus going to be for 2026?
Yeah, well, we will continue to have this robust offering, and we work also, of course, on the after sale and the customer experience, private bank experience also, but customer experience and digitalization, which is key. So we've built some years ago a digital portal for our clients, and I believe that one of our priority is continue to enhance this customer experience.
And do you envisage any challenges ahead?
Well, there are many challenges, and you know that the new trend now in the market are the evergreens. So we have also built that new offering. And so the private assets industry is a long-term industry, so we need time to see how it will evolve and to be sure that the performances will be there for our clients.
Claire, last night at the IPEM Awards, you won Personality of the Year, Fund Selector. Tell me what that means to you.
Yeah, I'm so honored and moved to receive this award, which is, of course, a collective recognition, but it reflects also my long-term commitment over 30 years in the industry and my passion also for this business to enable our private clients to access these asset classes, which initially were reserved to institutional investors. For me, this is also the recognition of female leadership, which is a very crucial issue for me, and I'm very involved in mentoring also the next generation. I was inspired by many women also, but men also trusted me, and I'm very grateful for that. So this award is a collective prize for everyone, and I'm very happy.
And you've been in the industry, you said, for many years, more than 30 years. What drives you to keep going?
Well, this award is a personal motivation, as I said yesterday, for me to continue promoting private assets among private investors. And we see that this industry is regularly innovating. In this industry, there is an enormous growth of potential within wealth. So we have a lot of to do.
Claire Roborel de Climens from BNP Paribas, thanks so much.
Thank you, Denise.